And he was using his legs to move itong si Raymond Almazan.
And Paul Lee drops to the deck. And he's worried
Ryan
about that
Reyes.
knee of his, of course.
Pareho sila eh.
Nagkauntugan ng tuhod, ano?
Maaari.
Yung,
Makikita natin yan dun sa slow-mo.
Ay, parang one mold itong pinanggalingan itong dalawang player na ito. We do not like seeing this, but it does just happen. I'm sure our director, Rafi Romano, has his slow-mo wheels turning back, and we shall try to see where the collision happened. Direct, take us through this. Saan tayo rito? Ayun. Nataganan pa, no?
Oo. Definitely an accident there.
Parang nadidinig mo yung boses ni Paul Lee. Wag dyan, wag dyan, wag dyan.
So yung kanang tuhod nitong si Ryan Reyes.
Ayun, nataganan pa ni Paul Lee na nasaktan din sa eksenang ito.
Mali yung pagbagsak eh.
At saka may may kaba, may nervyos dahil doon sa injuring pinagdaanan nitong si Paul Lee, of course.
Mahirap yun eh. Especially Paul Lee, kababalik lang yan.
Oo, hindi pa nga nakakabuelo yan.